One of the problems with this landscape is bloody you want to stop everywhere and take pictures, man. It's so beautiful, like wherever you turn, just magnificent. Good morning from golden whatever tent accommodation in Sarchu. Fuck, this is cold, man. This is cold. Last night I think had dinner around 8:39ish and immediately got into bed. It was so cold. And it's been ages since I've had like proper razais, like thick ones, because Bangalore you don't need any of those things. And because we went to bed at around 9:30, I just couldn't sleep. And around 9:30, 10ish, I started to have a bit of difficulty in breathing if I move, because I generally don't sleep in a single position. I keep turning here and there. So A, because of the altitude, B, because of the cold, and C, because of the heavy razai and the blanket. So if I just move to my left side, I started huffing and puffing, and then if I move back to a position where I'm sleeping on my back, again huffing and puffing. So I realized I need to adjust to this. So I was in a single position for a while, like 5-10 minutes, until my breathing slowed down, and then till maybe 12:31 I couldn't sleep. I just couldn't sleep. Then probably around 1:30, I don't know, maybe this is all guessing. Finally got some sleep. Woke up at around 6. My alarm went off. This is fucking bloody cold, man. Yeah, it's fun. Just that if the razais didn't stink of cigarette smell, it would have been better. So I think we'll just get ready, pack our stuff, and head to Leh in about half an hour's 45 minutes time. Alright, catch you guys on the road. Alright, left the property, Wild Adventure Camp, heading towards Leh. Got a bit late, man. It's already 8 something. It's quite late, so probably have to push a bit, but of course within the limits. Leh, I think, is another 200 odd kilometers from here. So let's see how long it takes.
problems with this landscape is bloody you want to stop everywhere and take pictures, man. It's so beautiful, like wherever you turn, it's just magnificent. How much can you ever stop? And how much is enough? Damn. This is nice. This is what we're here to do. And this is fine, but I think the Himalayan or the X-Pulse would be so much more fun here. Whoa, 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 whoa. Loops. So just passed 2 trucks. Kind of difficult to pass because there's not much space for even them to let us by. So just honk a couple of times, let them know you're there, looking for a pass through. Almost all truckers, as soon as they find space for them to move a bit to the left, they will do so and let you by. So yeah, be careful, be patient, don't be in a hurry. धीरे धीरे brake early. Oh, what the f is this shit? Oh. As it is, having a bit of difficulty breathing, and these guys are whoa. Oh, dude. Look at that. Look at that. Wow.
Stopped at this dhaba like 15 kilometers before Tanglangla. The roads are fantastic, but it's bloody cold, man. But at least the sun is shining now. So had a paratha, had one coffee, put on my thermal liner, rain liner to cut down on the wind. Yeah, so roads are pretty good from here apparently, so that shouldn't be a problem. Leh is around 130, 120, 130 odd kilometers. So yeah, let's go then. Let me just give you. That's the dhaba in the middle of nowhere.
There's no concern for me in terms of fuel, at least till Karo. I think that's where the next fuel pump is. So Karo should be 80, 90 odd kilometers from here. I'm not sure. I'll research and put that here. So yeah, so no issues with fuel, no issues with the weather. I'm gonna enjoy my ride. The place is already booked in Leh, so there's no tension of that. So all I need to do is ride, enjoy this. Look at that, man. It's raining over there. Why? And of course there's no why, but come on, weather gods, please don't play spoil sport when I am here, at least, or push the rain clouds away from me wherever I am headed, if that's possible. Shit, look at that. Insane. And we're riding into that directly. Look at this. Red Earth. That's a nice cafe. Look at this, man. There's so many colors here. This is brown. This is red. Red sand or mud, whatever you want to call it. Horses. Nice. Whatever this place is, Rumte. I like this. There's a vibe here. There's a really nice vibe here. Also, it's nice and sunny right now, unlike the morose, cold situations up in Talangla. Yeah, but that was at 17,500 feet. This is 13,000. This is almost 4,000 feet below. These cute little houses, man, here. Really nice. Lato or Lato. Lato के भूत बातों से नहीं मानते. दोनों डोज हो गया. ओके डन. थैंक यू. टाइम क्या हुआ?
3:17.
ओह वी मेड गुड टाइम देन.
हम रुके ही नहीं है यार.
हाँ मतलब फिर भी अगर ऐसा होता तो शायद थोड़ा रुक ही जाते, लेकिन हमें नहीं पता था ना बीच वाला जो स्ट्रेट रोड था
वो अच्छा, उसने अच्छा टाइम का।
हाँ। I was in awe of the mountains from Manali to here. Yup. What a twat. What a twat.